In today's video I'll show you how you can redeem your Amazon gift card for your cash and to add to a balance to your Amazon account. In order to redeem your Amazon gift card for cash, now you have to enter the code on a gift card on the Amazon app or either on Amazon website. In this tutorial I will be using the app. Now tap on the little profile button from the bottom of the screen. Tap on the option that says Your Account. Now scroll down here. Under the Payments section, you will be able to find the option that says Manage Gift Card Balance. Tap on Redeem Another Gift Card button. Over here enter the redeem code and just tap on the Apply to Your Balance. And you would have successfully redeemed your Amazon gift card for cash.